Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Free Run 5.0 Next Nature. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike Free Run or RN 5.0 Next Nature. We've got this in the black colorway, in the UK size 7.5, European 42, as the US 8.5. So if we have a look at the box, this is part of Nike's Move to Zero initiative, where they try and use as little to no, well, they're working towards carbon zero carbon, zero waste to protect the future of the sport, as it says on this box. I was reading off that, guys. And here they are. Very, very dope. We love running shoes here on Oneupreviewz. We're avid runners, myself, Jefferson, and Christopher. And yeah, here they are. Again, I can't stress enough how lightweight this is. And before we delve into it, there's a little tag here that says it's made with at least 20% recycled content. So whether that's part of the sole or the upper, it's not really distinct in that part, but just know that it uses 20% recycled materials. Starting with the outsole, so we'll go into all the details right now for you. And you've got all a rubber outsole, and you can see the grooves right there, all cut in precision, just so it allows your feet to glide more whilst you lift your feet off for every stride. And you can kind of see the waffle technology as well. Nike is renowned for their waffle. And if you look at the midsole, so again, it's just this foam unit. I think I said it was rubber. This isn't rubber, this is actually foam. I'm sorry guys, this is a foam outsole. And you got some rubber at the heel. It extends towards the midsole, that's where I'm getting at, because it's the foam. Very lightweight. Unfortunately, Nike would have said, you know, if it was part of a React technology. However, this is just like a free run, so this is a normal Phylon. So it's just your typical EVA beads that's meshed together to make the foam. The upper is synthetic materials. It kind of reminds me of Flyknit. It isn't Flyknit. It specifically says that it's not Flyknit. Otherwise, the sneaker itself would have been called the Nike Free Run Flyknit, but it's not. And because it's Next Nature, I think that's why, you know, they're using the recycled materials, using their byproducts or all that just to make a new one. And yeah, you can see a lot of yarn, as it says in the description from Nike's website. And you can see the heat pressed plastics at the tailbooks are able to swoosh, and on the lateral side as well, there are two all pressed on. Black laces, it's just essentially a sock unit as well, so there's not really any different parts of the sneaker. It's just essentially the sock. You got nice padded ankle support, and at the tongue you can see the Nike pinwheel, where that indicates that it uses recycled materials in the product. You've got Nike Free, and you've got a nice cushioned ankle support also. The back, so you've got your pull tab, again loads of synthetic materials right there for you. And the inner, you've got a normal insole there also. It's polyurethane. Very lightweight, I cannot stress enough, guys. Very easy. If you're looking for an entry-level sneaker to use when you're running, I highly suggest this. Right now, we're going to flip you over to my future self, who will be wearing these in, telling you about the comfort, support, and all that jazz that we guys want to hear about. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. Even though these feel really snug on, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike Fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and this fits me very well. Again, I have to stress that it is like it's hugging my feet, but I want that when I'm buying some running sneakers. I want that lockdown support so it doesn't feel like it's gonna fly off my feet. But I think it's because I've got these socks on. I'm not gonna drop the name because you're not sponsoring us. So, Stance, people there, if you're watching, we know that you are. If you want to throw us some socks our way, we're very much welcoming people. But no, it's really comfortable. I can feel the grooves. You know, as I lift my feet up, yeah, it's very supportive. That's what you want in a running sneaker. Really great price. If you're looking for a running sneaker around the £100 mark, this is a great shoe to purchase. Very lightweight, secure on my feet, and I know if I was going to go for a run, my feet aren't going to be in pain. All that said, guys, here's a 360 for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. We got a TikTok and an Instagram account, so check that out and be dull and follow us there. Thanks for all your support, guys. Till next time, peace.